Just a update here at Unit 2 Kinross. We did a leak detection test and we used tracer gas. We pushed tracer gas into the pipeline and the gas came up there. So we first opened up here and we found a pipe there going through the wall, but there was also gas coming out here. So we went outside, opened all the pipes and saw the pipes is actually coming through the wall over there. The reason why gas was escaping there and here is because it was waterlogged and the gas couldn't come up, so it pushed out through the side. And we found the pipes and we did the repair at Unit 2, and there's no more leaks. This is from outside. There's 1, 2, 3 meters. Unit 2's meter is standing still, which indicates there's no leaks. It's turned on, the valve. We had to open up all these pipes because we couldn't figure out what was municipality line, and there's pipes just looping for no reason. We traced the pipes back going through this wall here, and where it goes inside, that was where the leak was found. Everything's in order here. Thank you. Bye.